Okay, I'm working on Masterforce string trimmer 80 volt. Well, here's what happened. I bought this attachment, a brush cutter, thinking I could put it on here, but you can't, unfortunately. You have to get a different model trimmer, this one here, to put the attachment on. And I got another attachment for it, the string trimmer head. But this is the one I bought, thinking I could put it on there, but I couldn't. So you have to get the Masterforce string trimmer attachment capable one. And I already tried that thing, and it's going to be pretty powerful. It's basically a saw blade made out of metal. Yeah. Should be pretty good. Flex connect attachment capable, that's what you gotta get. Comes with a battery and battery pack. It was $280 at Menards. We've got some other stuff. I also have a chainsaw that runs off one of those batteries, and it's pretty good. We have extra batteries and chargers, and found that these work really well. You know, you don't have to, there's no maintenance on it. They're brushless. And when you need a chainsaw, you can just grab it and you're ready to go. Pretty nice. So that's it, the Masterforce brushless string trimmer. Attachment capable, that's what you want to get. And this is John Rudy with Rudy Racing, signing off.